record to the cloud as well. So don't give out any confidential information while the recording is on, okay?
Okay.
All right, today's date is August 24th, 2021. In Crosby County, Texas, I call cause number 8336 in the interest of the Aguilera children. What says the state?
Present and ready, Your Honor.
All right, also present in person is Stacy Flores.
Yes, ma'am.
Ready to proceed.
Yes, ma'am.
The court's file reflects that Sergio Aguilera was served with notice of these proceedings on July 2nd, 2021. The return of service has been in the court's file in excess of 10 days, and there is no answer, nor is there any appearance today on behalf of Mr. Aguilera. I take judicial notice of the contents of the court's file. You may call your first witness, Mr. DeSoto.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'd call Ms. Stacy Flores.
Ms. Flores, would you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. All right. Go ahead, Mr. DeSoto.
Thank you, Your Honor. Could you state your name for our court record, please?
Stacy Flores.
Okay. And Ms. Flores, are you the mother of Dominique Aguilera and Wesley Aguilera?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And are they 11 years old and 7 years old?
Yes.
Okay. And is the father of the children Mr. Sergio Aguilera?
Yes.
And is it correct that Mr. Aguilera signed an acknowledgement of paternity, swearing he was the father of both the children in this case?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Judge, I just asked the court to take judicial notice of the acknowledgement of paternities on both of the children that was filed with the state's petition in this case, Your Honor.
All right. I take judicial notice of the petition, specifically the acknowledgements of paternity attached to that.
Thank you, Your Honor. Okay. And is Mr. Aguilera, he is not in the courtroom with us today. Is that correct, Ms. Flores?
That's correct.
Okay. I want to talk to you about conservatorship and visitation. Is it correct today that you're asking the court that you be named sole managing conservator of the children?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And are you asking the court that Mr. Aguilera be named possessory conservator of the children?
Yes.
Okay. And can you please explain why you believe that would be in the kid's best interest?
He's been in and out of jail. He's abused drugs. I just don't feel that it's safe for my kids to be around him by themselves. And
Okay.
that's really it.
Does he does Mr. Aguilera, does he have much of a relationship with the kids?
Not too much.
Okay. Does he see them very often?
No.
Okay. As far as any type of visitation goes, is it correct that if the court does order any visitation today, are you asking that it be supervised?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And is it correct that a possible person to supervise would be your mother?
Yes.
Okay. And is it correct that as far as any type of supervised visitations with her, you would like those to occur at your mother's house? Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Your mother's name?
Olga Flores.
And what town does she live in?
She lives here in Crosby County. Here in Crosby.
Okay.
Okay. And is it correct that as far as the times that might work best for the kids and you for those supervised visitation, is it correct that on possibly 1 to 2 Saturdays a month from 3 to 5 is what you think would be best for you and the kids?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. And now, is it correct that to the best of your knowledge, as of today, Mr. Aguilera was recently arrested?
Yes.
Okay, but is it correct that he's been in jail, to your knowledge, for about just a few days?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so he has not been in jail for an extended period of time. Is that correct?
No, sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea why he's in jail right now?
I don't.
Okay. As far as child support goes, it is correct that today you would ask the court to order some child support. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. And to your knowledge, do you have any idea if Mr. Aguilera, is he working currently?
Not that I know of.
Okay. Do you have any idea when the last time he had a job was?
I think about, I would maybe say 6 months ago.
Okay. Do you have any idea what he was doing?
No, sir.
Okay. And do you have any idea how much he was making?
No, sir.
To your knowledge, does Mr. Aguilera, does he have any type of disability that would preclude him from being able to work?
No, sir.
Okay. And do you believe it would be in the best interest of your kids for the court to order child support today?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I want to talk to you about health insurance. Are the kids currently insured?
Yes.
Okay. And how are the kids insured?
Medicaid.
Okay. And do you carry that for the kids?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And as far as back child support, or what's called retroactive support, is it correct that today you are not asking that the court order retroactive support?
No, sir.
Okay. And you do understand that you do have a right to ask for that today?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And I will pass the witness, Your Honor.
Does Mr. Aguilera have any other children?
Yes, he does.
Are they still in high school or under 18?
Yes, I believe he's about 15 or 16.
Okay. Anything else you want me to know, Ms. Flores?
No, ma'am.
All right. Well, based on, is there anything else, Mr. DeSoto?
I don't believe so, Your Honor. I would just ask that the court costs be put on the Mr. Aguilera today.
All right. Well, based on the testimony and evidence, then I do find that Mr. Aguilera is the legal and biological father of these children. I'm appointing Ms. Flores as a sole managing conservator and Mr. Aguilera as a possessory conservator. As to visitation, well, and of course, Ms. Flores will determine where the children live.
Yes, Judge.
As to visitation, I'm ordering visitation on the first, third, and fifth Saturdays from 3 to 5 p.m. to occur in the residence of Olga Flores and to be supervised by Stacy Flores or some other adult that she chooses. So it could be Olga or it could be someone else that the children are comfortable being around. I'm ordering Mr. Aguilera to pay Ms. Flores child support based on the minimum wage presumption at 22.5%. And I'm ordering him to reimburse Medicaid $75 per month. All of the payments to start September 1st of 2021. I'm not ordering any retroactive support. I am ordering Mr. Aguilera to pay court costs by the end of the year. So by September 1st of 2022. If there are any medical bills that Medicaid doesn't cover, then each parent will pay half. Is there any other relief I need to address?
Your Honor, I believe that covers everything. Thank you, Judge.
Okay. Mr. DeSoto is going to prepare that order for my signature. I expect to sign it. There is a 3-day time period of 3 business days starting today, during which you can request a new hearing, or Mr. Aguilera could too. If somebody does that, you get a new hearing in front of the district court judge, and she would start over and make her own decision. But if nobody does that, this order starts to become final, and you should get a copy either by email or by regular mail within about 2 weeks, Ms. Flores. If you don't get one, call the call the Lubbock Rural AG's unit and remind them to send you one, okay?
Yes.
Good luck to you and the children, Ms. Flores. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, we'll go off the record.